Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're into mecha, cyberpunk, or sci-fi action figures and plastic model kits, you are at the right place. So go ahead and browse my videos. If you like it, make sure you click the subscribe button. In today's episode, we are going to check out both versions of the Balcom Alpha. Now here's what Hexagear likes to do. I've mentioned this in my video before. They like to release the same model of different color variations. So we have the Balcom Alpha, and we also have the Balcom Beta. We have the Balcom Glance, and many other models out there. Why? I'm not sure. Keep milking the cow. The Balcom Alpha, one of the best sellers, one of the fan favorites, one of its kind, because this was the first Hexagear that comes with an enclosed cockpit. Check it out, guys, check it out. Over here you can put your governor, which we're gonna check it out later. And this is one of my favorite things about the Balcom Alpha. Here's the eye, where you can actually rotate 360 degrees. Looks pretty cool. And also the head comes with this yellow glass, and you can turn. And actually comes with two heads. Ta-da! So you can simply remove this by pulling it out, twist and turn, and replace it with this guy right here. I'm not sure which one you guys like better, but for me, I actually like the one with the yellow glass, but it still looks pretty cool. So you're just gonna make sure that you close properly or it wouldn't latch on. Over here, you see, it was quite cool. Now one of the things that I was very curious about was this part. You're supposed to attach your arms, but I was like, what is this thing? What am I supposed to do with it? It actually comes with both sides, but I will tell you later. So let's change it back to the previous one, because I actually like that better. Where is it? Okay, it's here. Whoop! Pardon me for all these stress marks, because I am still quite new in making plastic model kits, but I will do better. Over here, guys, remember what I say, you just have to close it properly, like that. Okay, now we're gonna choose one of these governors. These two right here, these are my favorites. The Womage Hetzer, or the Womage Cerberus. Alright, so we're about to fit this guy into the cockpit. So you just gotta make sure that it's in a sitting position. Whoops. Here we go again. The hands. You know how it is, right, my friends? So just make sure that it's in a sitting position like this, and you can just put it in. Can you guys see it? Okay, I guess it works like that. So all you gotta do is to push it all the way back, and you gotta close it. Whoop! Here we go. The pilot in the cockpit. Awesome. I present to you the arm right here. How's the lighting? Is it good? Anyways, okay, this is the right arm, and here is the shoulder. you can actually just pull it up like this. If you ask me, what can we do with these holes right here? It's actually for kit bashing, I guess. You can put a lot of different weapons or whatever you like to. So this is the shoulder where you can actually rotate it. Okay, and let's check out the forearm. You can bend it. Whoop. And as for the wrist, you can turn. And man, fireworks out there. Okay, so one of the things that I don't really like is the arm. The hands. Look at the fingers. They're not very functional. I guess you can move the thumb right here for you to hold a weapon. They also give you a small arm. This one right here. If you're wondering, you can actually just fit it right through the hole for you to hold some weapons. Might take a while because it's really small. Okay, there you go. So I took out the tiny hand over here, and we are gonna fix up the arms to the left and to the right. So, man, there's a siren going on. Wonder what's going on out there. Okay, now you can actually move forward like we talked about just now. It's actually to lower the hand for certain poses. We're gonna connect the torso. I think this is the front. Okay. Twist and turn as usual. And now I present to you the leg. Just one. This is the right leg. I think it's the right one. Okay. So here's the knee that you can bend. Let's take out this part. I feel like the legs are actually kind of short for the body. Alright, so yeah, you can bend, and what else can you do? You can just turn here, rotate it. And claws, these are actually very useful for posing. It actually stabilizes the whole model. Let's put this back on. Oops, the other way. There you go. Short. Alright, it looks pretty good right here. You can do a lot of different poses, but we are not done yet. Let me show you the weapon. Alright, so here's the weapon for this Balcom Alpha. You can actually pull it, turn it, which is quite cool. And if you turn it around, just attach it right here, like this. Looking good. So for the standard type or the blue Balcom Alpha, the weapon would be the hand cannon. Looks pretty good. So what we can do is that we can just twist it, turn it, and make sure it attach. Can you guys see it? Yes, over here. All the way in. So it's like that. This is the first type. The Balcom Alpha Blue. It's very bulky. I guess that's why it's called Balcom Alpha. And it's not very tall as well. Let's check out the green one. Good job, people. Good job. I actually really like the Balcom Alpha, which explains why I decided to get both of them, and of course to see what's the difference. So the jungle type comes with a different weapon. This is a rifle, which you can actually attach the magazine. Quite cool. And it also comes with an axe, chop chop. And it also comes with a beam cannon, which you can attach on either side of the cockpit. Now, speaking about a weapon, you can actually change it up a little bit. Check this out. For this part, this is where the magazine goes, the bullets. And the cool part about this gun or cannon is that it is actually foldable. Push it back and latch it on top like this. That was pretty cool. Now if you want to change it up a little bit, here's a missile. Just take apart the front part and there you go. The archive card, if you know me, you know that I like to collect all these archive cards. I even have an album for it. It's a collection. Ta-da! Which one do you guys like better? The blue one or the jungle type? Now the only thing, like I said, that I kind of wish Hexagear would do would be the size, because as you can see the legs are a little bit short. And as for the size comparison, this one, Joy Toy, Mecha, God of War 86, you can actually watch it on my channel, somewhere up there. This is the same scale, kind of. It's a 1/25th scale compared to, whoa, almost dropped. Compared to the 1/24th, right? Now it's almost half the size. So for the next few episodes, we're gonna check out the Armored Puppet, which is a 1/24th scale plastic model kit. Could it be the rival of the Great Hexagear? Maybe. And it's much cheaper. And this guy. Wait. This guy. My first ever diorama base. Fresh retro scene in box just came out 2 weeks ago, or was it last week? So I'm pretty excited to build, and if you guys want to check out more of these videos, make sure you click the subscribe button like right now. Thank you people, you guys are awesome.